Hi, Carrie here from My Cloud Bookkeeping. I had a question from Spruce Tree Media about what to do with that deposit field that now appears at the bottom of the invoice. This is where you record amounts that you've previously received from your customers as a deposit and you've recorded as income. I'll show you how it works.
Now let's assume our customer Kathy has previously paid a $10,000 deposit that we recorded as income. Let's create an invoice for Kathy for some catering for the amount of $25,000. Oops. Just going to ignore sales tax for the time being. So now what we want to do is we want to record the deposit of $10,000 that was previously paid. And you can see the amount that's due is $15,000. And we'll save and we'll send that to Kathy.
If you want to set a deposit up as an amount owing a liability, then I have a different video. I'll put a link here so that you can go and see how to do that. If you're not too sure which method you should use, check with your accountant. And if this was helpful, remember to click like below, subscribe to my channel. There's also a checklist you can download which will get you in my newsletter so that you can then keep up to date with anything else that's happening in QuickBooks, any apps I'm trying out. If there's anything else you'd like to know, you can write in the comment box below. There's a link to my calendar. If there's something else you'd like to learn about, let me know, and my next video could be for you. Cheers.